Hi everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today's coin is the Child from the very popular series The Mandalorian. This is a 1 ounce silver collectible coin and it is produced by the New Zealand Mint. We can see the logo just there, and this just gives us a quick preview of the coin that we are about to unbox and take a closer look at. So let's get into this one. Now the mintage on this particular coin is 2,000 pieces, and it is the final issue for the Mandalorian series at the moment. Let's open that up. There's just a little bit of extra packaging that EMK pops in there. And let's take a quick look at the certificate first, actually. Always like to check them out. Nice sturdy certificate from the New Zealand Mint. We've got all of our info there. 2021, The Mandalorian, from the Mandalorian series, The Child. 1 ounce, 0.999 fine silver. And as I just said, there's the mintage of 2,000 pieces. And you've got your brilliant sticker there from the New Zealand Mint, which is your certificate of authenticity. So let's move on to the coin itself. Got a lovely bit of material there that helps protect your box. And these are the fun boxes that just simply pop up. So let's take a look at this guy. Here we are, the Child, aka Baby Yoda. Look at him, isn't he sweet? Now I have to say, I have enjoyed the colouring on the Mandalorian series coins. I think they've done very well there. And I do like the sort of the animation take on the picture itself. If we get a little bit closer, you can see again, the 1 ounce, 0.999 silver is inscribed there on the coin. And we do have the Child there with a lovely scene in the background. Now, of course, I did mention this is a 2021 coin and it's produced by New Zealand. So we have Queen Elizabeth II on a Niue coin, $2. There we go. Now, since we've got the gloves on, let's try and get him out of the capsule and see if the view improves. And here we go. This is the great thing about New Zealand Mint's coins. They're capsules. Not all of them, of course. The chibi ones are a little bit more difficult, but these ones do have an opening, which makes it easier to get in. Here I am saying that, and I'm struggling. Come on then. Oh, he doesn't want to come out. He's a bit shy. Come on then. There you go. There you are. It's all right. It's our lovely viewers here from EMK. No one's going to hurt you. We're all gentle. Oh, see, now I'm really happy that I took that out. Look at that. Spectacular. Just that nice fine finish there. Beautiful. Oh, look at his eyes. So innocent. Very good. Lovely. And then on the other side, of course, that lovely mirror finish. Just beautiful. So, has anyone out there been collecting this series so far? You looking forward to finishing it with the Child? Do let us know in the comments. But that's it for today's unboxing. Hope to see you again next time. Bye for now. Ciao.